Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Concerned stakeholders hosted an intervention in Rocky Point, South Clarendon in response to the increase in violent crimes in the area. More from Dwayne Anderson.
The young and the young at heart enjoying free rides and food at a social event in Rocky Point in southern Clarendon. The police, who helped to plan the event, said Rocky Point needed a day like this following a series of deadly attacks in the last few weeks.
The business place and the home of a popular person in the community was burnt. We've also had a shooting where 4 persons were shot on the beach, 2 died. So an event like this, we are certainly giving it some support, because we know what an event like this can do to the citizens of the community.
The head of the Community Safety Branch in Clarendon, DSP Owen Brown, added that he's still concerned about the number of students not attending school despite the resumption of face-to-face classes several months ago. Those idle children become prime targets for recruiting gangs.
We know that there are a number of children in the space that are not going to school, that are involved in other kinds of activities. So we're hoping that this will help to encourage them. We want our children to understand that education is still key, school still a keep, and education is the way to success.
The Minister of Agriculture and MP for the area, Pernell Charles Jr., explained that several programs are ongoing to help redirect at-risk youth from a life of crime.
We did some training of fishers during the last year. I also had training classes there for persons to learn about how to do solar panel installation, and we even put some solar panels on the community center itself.
And what better way to help redirect youth from a life of crime than recruiting them for the police force? JCF recruiters who were at the event said interest is high, but a lot of people did not meet the criteria.
In some instances, they fall short of the required height. So what we encourage them to do is to appeal for a height waiver where they are shorter than our required heights. We encourage young men and women aged 17 and a half years to come and do the test. By the time you're finished, we would have processed you and you would be 18. The speed at which our turnaround now for recruiting, we have moved it from where it used to be, and now we're in the longest period, 4 to 6 months, the longest we take to recruit our force applicants.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.